Topic is energy stored in an electric field. So to understand that, first we will see how a capacitor works. Here we have a parallel plate capacitor which has two parallel plates connecting with a battery of potential difference V, and here is a switch shown by K, and this is the circuit. Here both plates have the equal number of positive and negative charges. As this terminal is positive, this is negative. When this switch is on, this positive terminal attracts negative charges from this plate, and the net charge on that plate will become positive. Similarly, the negative terminal of the battery attracts positive charges from this plate, and this plate will become negatively charged. All the positive charge or the positive charge by the battery will be attracted from the both plates until potential difference between the plates become equal to the potential difference of the battery. When the potential difference between the plates, which is V, become equals to the potential difference between the terminals of the battery, then no more charges will be drawn by the battery, and the electric field inside the wire will become equals to 0. So in this way, this plate will become positively charged and this plate will become negatively charged. And now this is the high potential and this is low potential, so here a potential difference which is V is introduced. And we also know that if we have a positive charge and a negative charge, here electric field of lines is also introduced which direct it from positive to negative. So that's why we have a topic energy stored in an electric field. This is the electric field, and is the energy which is denoted by U is inside this electric field. We have to determine it. To understand that, let when this battery or positive terminal draw a negative charge or a positive charge introduced here, the work done by the battery on this charge can be written as W equals to Q prime into V prime, where V is the potential difference introduced due to that charge. At this level or at this state, capacitance of the capacitor can be given as Q prime equals to C V prime, equation 2. A further increment to draw a charge dQ prime, the work done can be written as dW equals to dQ prime into V prime, equation 3. From equation 2, put the value of V prime in equation 3, which is V prime equals to Q prime over C. Put value V prime into equation 3, we have dW equals to Q prime over C into dQ prime. As we have to introduce a charge Q on the plates, so we will integrate here, and the total work done, which is W, can be given as 0 to Q prime dQ prime. By integrating, we have 1 over C Q prime square divided by 2 and limit 0 to Q. By putting value, we have 1 over C into 1 over 2 and Q square. We also know that Q equals to CV, so by put this value in this equation, we have W equals to 1 over 2 C square V square. C is cancelled and we have work equals to 1 over 2 C V square, say equation 4. We have read it, energy or potential energy is equals to work done, so by putting value we have U equals to 1 over 2 CV square. So this is the potential or this is the energy stored in an electric field in terms of electric potential, which is V. Next, we can also introduce here energy density, means that this energy per unit volume, which is shown by small u and equals to 1 over 2 C V square, where V is the potential and this V is the volume, can be given as into volume means A into D, where A is the area of the parallel plate capacitor and D is the distance between them. By solving it, we have U equals to 1 over 2 V square 1 over 2 1 over A and D, and we will put here value of C, and we know that C equals to A epsilon naught over D for parallel plate capacitor, which is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. By putting this value here, we have A epsilon naught divided by D. It will be cancelled, and we have U equals to 1 over 2 into epsilon naught V square over D square, or 1 over 2 epsilon naught V over D square. Equation 5. We know that E equals to V over D. By putting value here, we have U equals to 1 over 2 epsilon naught into E, which is the relation or equation in terms of energy density.